Hello again. We are still in the section Office, the third video. Here, Office. We told before that here we choose the day, we choose the metrics, and we choose the worker. And there were two things that were added newly, and I didn't mention in the previous video. This one is the first thing. You can see here the start and end time, meaning the first record that we have and the last record that we have, and the total amount of time that was registered either by Word2Cloud Desktop or Word2Cloud Staff. Okay, and then also these small icons that are always added with the play and stop, which tells you what kind of play or stop was. If it was, for example, manual, if you put on top, it will tell you the type. It will give you an explanation of what this icon means, because sometimes the play and stop can be done automatically, programmatically, by the settings that you've done, or can be done manually, or there are different options. Okay, so when you put on top, it tells you which function or which reason was triggered in order to stop or to play the program. Okay, right. So now we're going to see the next metrics related with the phone route. Okay, this one is the routes, which basically every pin is depending on how you adjusted that worker in the team sections. You can put that you get one every minute, one every 5 minutes. Then depending on how accurate you set it, you will get more or less pins. If you put on top, it will tell you which project this person was, and then you will see some icons, like sometimes you see a phone, sometimes you see a signature, sometimes you see a picture, which tells you actions that were done with the Word2Cloud Staff application. For example, this, if I click on top of the call, takes me that at 9:31 it was made this phone call to this person, this number, and this duration. Okay, and if you do zoom, you see all the pins that were done. I will show you another day that has more accurate, in order that you can see the route more precisely. And anyway, this day there was not much movement, but all these settings can be done in the team section, so I will focus more there in the explanation. Let's go for the next one. The next one is calls. We go to the calls, and now we focus only in the phone calls done by this person this day. We can order by when it was done the call, the total amount of different people that this person spoke with, the name of the person that is registered on the agenda, and the different numbers. Here you have the number. Total time spent in phone calls this day, 1 hour and 6 minutes, right? And then you can see each call, the duration. And finally, the total calls that were successful out of the tries. Successful would mean that there was some kind of conversation, right? Because sometimes the calls are refused or are lost. And if you click on here, you will see the type of call: outgoing, incoming, or refused. Okay, and that's it for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.